2.
We'll start with 1. Can you start with 1? Mommy just started filming. Can you count and start with 1?
1.
You okay? You okay? Can you count?
Snake.
Yeah, it's a snake. It's 1 snake. Count the monkeys.
1,
Mhm.
2,
Mhm.
3.
Mhm.
3, 5. 3,
4, 5,
6.
6.
6.
What comes after 6?
6.
You see a snake? What comes after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. What comes after 10?
10, 11,
12.
3.
Whee! Good job, Carson. Good job counting.